Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing thousands of dollars worth of makeup. This sounds like it's going to be a long one, and it probably is, so grab your snacks, grab the puppies, let's cuddle and jump right in. A lot of these products that I opened up, I'm going to be giving away a lot of them. And brands, if you are watching this, please don't be offended by me doing this. Some brands do get offended and I get it, but this is actually a good thing because a lot of my audience who may have never heard of your brand or tried it out get to experience it, and that will prompt them to fall in love with it. I'm going to be picking up this package right here. It actually came in today. This is from Morphe. Daisy Danger, she is an incredible makeup artist and has been with Morphe from day one, ever since I've been with Morphe. Even, actually no, scratch that, way before. When I worked there, this was like in 2014. She actually had a highlight palette with them launched, I want to say 2 years ago? I could be wrong, but packaging is beautiful. Oh, this is so her. I feel like I've seen her wear and rock these types of highlight shades forever. So you get a brush and you get the continuous setting mist. Okay, I got it. So I'm guessing she wants us to spritz this, grab this, apply this, you know? I won't be giving this away because I do want to play with it, but I will let you know how I like it. Next package is from Mercier. This is their lip powder, velour lip powder collection. Ooh, I'm excited to try that. And we have caviar eye sticks and the lippies. This is the cream you put on and then you pout that over top. I'm going to play with this. I'm going to keep this one. I'm going to keep this one and give away the New York shade. Yes, I'll keep Paris and give away New York. And I will keep these. Oh, it's key. All around it. Key and benefit? Oh, honey, that's awesome. Put your best asset on display. Okay, ready? Let's do this. Okay. Do we like it? No? Okay. So this package is from Kees. They are doing a collab with Benefit that is awesome. I am so stoked to see what they have. That is what the package looks like inside. Let's dig in and see what sunnies they are. Please look how adorable and cute this is. Oh my god, I love. I think I'm gonna love this one. Oh yes. Mama's keeping this one. They included a sunnies chain and a brow product. I mean, thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, this is me. Like, if this isn't me, like, what is me? Oh my god. I am going to be giving away the first one that I tried on. This is just a little too big for my face, but I think it will look fabulous on one of my subscribers. So, yay, one of you will get this with the case and the little eyeglass cleaner. Okay, next package is from Shoei. I think I know what this is. I believe this is their new powders that they came out with, their setting powders. This is so cute. It's actually like a big oversized compact. Here is their powder collection, and I will be giving most of these away because I'm just gonna pick 2 or 3 that I need for my kit. So the rest will be going in the giveaway. Here's what it looks like. Very pretty. And it comes with an essential travel brush. Super cute. This is actually a really cool powder because it says that it's going to be a hydrate and set powder, which will keep your makeup hydrated but in place and intact. I'm in it. Goodbye. Next, we have a package from Rimmel London. These are their Boss Up and Gloss Up Stay Glossy lip glosses. I just said gloss like 86 times. I'm going to keep the clear one because I feel like I just need a good clear glossy gloss. And I'm going to put these in the giveaway pile. Next, we have velour lashes. We have 3 new lashes that they came out with. This is their Effortless Lash Collection. These look super tiny. Woo! I'm going to keep this one and give these 2 away. Okay. I'm actually going to put these 2 in the giveaway as well. This is their lash glue and this is their lash applicator. Okay, next, opening up this COVERGIRL package. Ooh. Oh, watch. Oh, caution may attract more attention than anticipated. They launched 2 mascaras. One is 800 Very Black and the other is 825 Very Black Waterproof. I'm going to keep the regular one because I don't use waterproof mascara and put this in the giveaway. Okay, next we're taking a package from Pixie Beauty. Super cute. I feel like I'm opening a Christmas gift. Oh, it just, oh, okay. Oh my god, it's my own glow tonic. Suzie's glow tonic. I love this. Okay. Whoa! Okay. Whoa! Okay. Whoa! I'm definitely gonna keep this because this is just super customized and so cute. And I actually need a good toner. If you guys have tried the glow tonic from Pixie, let me know how it is. This is a lot of work. Next unboxing. I am not doing this alone. Woo! We have another package from Laura Mercier, so let's jump into this one. I actually have a Laura Mercier party to attend to tonight, so this is just in the spirit. Dear Suzie, when it comes to eyes, what's better than easy application? Nothing. Crease resistance and 12-hour wear. Okay, that is better than easy application. Okay, this is a package of all of their caviar sticks, which are one of my favorite eye products from Laura Mercier. I do have the whole set already, so I will be giving this all to the giveaway pile. I will actually look through them. If there are some that I haven't played with, I will keep those and give the rest to you guys. BH Cosmetics and It's My Ray Ray Slay with Ray. I don't know who this is, but congrats, girl! We have here a 15 color eyeshadow palette and a 9-piece brush set. I'm gonna keep these. Ooh, don't want this to break. Let's actually open this baby up. Oh, they're so cute. That is what it looks like. I am actually going to be digging into this yellow. I want to create something that has a very bold touch of yellow, and that is the brush set. Thank you, BH Cosmetics. Oh, cute little bag. Okay, this is from Pixie. This is what we got from Pixie. A lot of skincare products, and it is customized. How cute. Okay, it says, Dear Suzie, bon voyage, safe travels. I wish you a rosemary... Wait, where am I going? I have nowhere to go. Anyways, I wish you a rosy journey. I see what you did there, because there's little rosy products in here. Okay. I'm going to be keeping this itself because I think it's so essential to travel with a very good and sturdy bag. I do have couple of these products. Like, I know I have the Rose Flash Bomb and I have the Rose Oil Blend, so I will be giving these two away, and whatever else I have doubles of, I will be giving it to the goodie bag. But I can't wait to try this. I want to get into a very, very, very simple skincare regimen, so if any of these work, I know it's drugstore, so yay. Well, what do you know? We got another package from Laura Mercier. I really think they like me. Just a little bit, right? No? I don't either. Okay, this is Laura Mercier's new Caviar Chrome collection. This sounds really interesting and fun. So I'm going to actually swatch some for you guys. There's about that much product in there. It looks like a little lip gloss. This is the shade Rose Gold Metal. This is the shade Moonlight Shimmer. That right there. This one looks super pretty. This is called Gilded Fresco. And here is what it looks like. I'll swatch it right here. And here's one of their darker ones. This is called Night Sky. I'll swatch this right here. Ooh, that is opaque. Yeah, that's really pretty. I'm actually going to play with this one. I will be keeping these and giving away some of the Chrome Caviar sticks. These are the Chrome Caviar sticks. I'm attracted to these two because they're more bronzy and warm. I'm going to swatch these and see how they come off. This is more golden. Let's swatch it right here. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Okay, I'm actually going to keep this. Sorry. It has like a nice rose gold champagne-y finish. Love that. This is called Metallic Taupe. This is called Intense Moonlight. I'm going to swatch that right here under the first shade. Oh, that's so pretty. Love this. Okay, so I'm going to keep these two and give the rest away. So I let this dry to actually give it a test, 'cause I don't know how these are going to actually finish on the eyes. But look, doesn't even move. See that? We have another Morphe package. So here we have 3 different trios. I'm going to open up the lightest one because I'm pretty light. I wouldn't say I'm medium. I'm light. So here we get a color pencil, a lipstick, and a lip gloss. So each kit individually has its own shade. I'm going to actually keep the first one because I think that's going to be the most appealing. Oh, yes. Oh, that's beautiful. I'm going to put this on right now. This is what the pencil looks like for the first one. Very pretty. And let me swatch the gloss. Here is the lipstick. That's pretty. I'm gonna actually pop this on and see what it looks like. I love this. So cute. Oh, keeping this one. Okay. Another Morphe package. Let's do this. Oh! This is the James Charles palette I ordered. I don't even know when. I purchased this. This was not sent to me. I didn't get a James Charles palette in PR. I guess I just threw it in my PR packages along with all the other boxes thinking it was just a PR package, but I purchased this. So I will definitely dig into this and do a full makeup look with this, even though you guys are probably seeing like 325,000 of them. Oh my god, it's all shattered. Lovely. I'm just kidding. It's beautiful and it's intact. This is like a palette that you don't want to touch. Like you just want to have one to keep and have one to play with. There are some packages that I wasn't able to wait to unbox with you guys for this video because I had to film some stuff, just like the BH Color Festival palette and the ColourPop, their newest launch. What did they launch? The springtime palettes. Yeah, those I couldn't open because I had to work with them. This one as well, this is their bronze collection that they launched, I think, the beginning of this month. The reason why I still have this here is because I wanted to give away 3 of the products that were in this collection. 2 of the liquid illuminators in the shade Strobe and Flare, and the bronzer in the shade Phenom. This is what it looks like right here. Untouched, unplayed with. So these are going to go in the giveaway pile. Another package from Pixie. Let's see what it is inside. Well, thank you to whoever delivered this because it is completely shattered and I'm actually serious. This is shattered. This is shattered. But hey, we get a selfie light. Okay, we have 4 packages left. These 2 I have absolutely no idea who or where they're from, so I'm going to dip into one of those right now. Ooh. Oh, it's from LA Girl. Okay. Got it. I don't know if it's the same package. I don't think so. This is their LA Girl Fanatic Palette Blush and Highlighter. Beautiful. So we have 4 different palettes. This is their Island Haughty one, and this is beautiful. Like, I would use every single blush in this palette. So pretty. I'm going to keep this one. Let's dip into the others. This one is Blushed Babe. Again, so cute. This could actually be a bronzer for me. These are their highlight palette. Okay. This is their highlight palette and it is called Moonlight Magic. I'm going to swatch 2 of these. That's what they look like. I'm going to swatch right here on the back of my hand. There is one. And there is the other. Oh, they barely show. I think I should do a little bit more. Let's give it one more chance. And here. A little bit better. I would definitely have to apply this with a base, that's for sure. This is the Sunlight Sensation Highlight Palette. This is a little bit darker. This won't work for me, but it will work for one of you, so this will go in the giveaway pile. As far as the entry for the giveaway, I will talk about how to enter at the end of this video, so make sure to stay tuned for that. And it will also be listed below, so if you would like to skip through everything and you just want the giveaway part, heck, go for it. We have another package from Pixie. I hope this one isn't broken, UPS guy. I'm on to you. Ooh, Pixie. I'm struggling. Okay, you go there. I'm gonna keep these and do reviews on the skincare. They look so cool. Detoxify. Like detoxify. Get it? Do you have to see it to get it? Detoxify. I'm horrible. Another big package from, I'm gonna assume it's LA Girl because it is in the same packaging and it is from the same place. Similar situation, but these are their Fanatic Palettes eyeshadow. So we have 4 different eyeshadow palettes. This is actually calling my name, like I'm like about to pick up and say hi. This is called Wander and Lust. Okay, interesting. They're mainly shimmers. I see 2 mattes. I would definitely have more than 2 mattes in an eyeshadow palette that has 12 eyeshadows. But we're just gonna play with it. I'm gonna swatch these for you. pigment. Love that. Okay. Yes. That's really pretty. Here we have the nudist palette from the 4. I think most of you will get a lot of use out of this specific color range versus the blue and the reds and the bolder colors. So I will put this in the giveaway pile. This is called Get Feverish. Very pretty tones. I feel like you get a nice combination of your warm tones and your cool tones. Here is what they look like on my fingers, and let's go ahead and swatch them on my hand. Let's do that right there. That was a disgusting swatch. Here is what they look like. Disgusting only because of the way I swatched it. Not calling the palette disgusting. Okay, last but not least, we are finally done with this month's unboxing. This is a BH package. Let's open this baby up. I've actually seen this all over Instagram. It is their BH Cosmetics and Daisy Marquez collaboration. This feels really, really, really good. I don't know who Daisy Marquez is, but girl, congratulations. Looks like a little diary. This is super cool. So you lift this up, it actually comes off, and you pop this right here, and you have yourself a little vanity. I think that is genius. But make sure to not lose this because your palette will have no lid. I'm going to keep this to play around, and like I said, I'm attracted to so many yellow shades nowadays, so I'm probably going to do a very fun and out of my comfort zone makeup look with this palette. Okay guys, that is it for today's unboxing video. I am forever grateful for receiving these packages. There is not a day that goes by that I am not appreciative of all of these brands, their hard work, and just all of the effort it took to make these products. Not to mention, it is not cheap sending it to thousands of influencers, so I'm appreciative of you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is 4 simple things. Well, this is 8, so 4 simple things. Subscribe to my channel. Just be a subscriber of mine. Join the fam. Ring my bell so you get notified on every video that I publish. And like this video and comment what your favorite makeup product that you saw in this video was. That's it. That's all you gotta do. I will choose the winner in 5 days and message you personally. That is all I have to say for today's video. I'm gonna rush, go ahead and get changed and head out to the Laura Mercier event. And I will see you guys next Sunday. Bye guys.